If you are passing props through multiple components like this, then you are doing unnecessary work. Today I'll show you how professional React apps share data without prop dealing using useContext. Firstly, let's understand the problem. We are passing the same data through every component, even if they don't use it. This is called prop dealing. For this, React gives us a built-in solution, useContext. UseContext lets you share data globally without passing props manually at every level. Any component can access it directly. So in order to use it, firstly we need to create a context. Then warp your app with a provider and pass the data using value. Now any component can access it directly. No prop drilling. Use context when data is needed in multiple components. Don't use it for everything. Use context is not a state manager. It's a data sharing tool. If you are learning React, then you need to know the concept of prop drilling and use context too. Follow for more.